A brand new free-to-play The Division game just dropped. That brings us back to New York City, where it all began for a brand new story, and I've been having a blast. It's called The Division Resurgence, and as soon as I booted it up for the first time, I was completely shocked because, believe it or not, what you're seeing here is running on mobile. Yes, that is a mobile game that legitimately feels like a AAA experience. You'll have seamless co-op with other players, you'll reclaim districts, respond to threats, and progress through a brand new storyline. It basically takes what we love from The Division and brings it to the palm of your hand without sacrificing quality. Yes, this is a mobile game that legitimately feels like a AAA experience. And yes, even the Dark Zone is back, which to this day remains like a top 3 gaming moment for me. I still remember the first time I stepped foot in the Dark Zone. That PvP is just so peak, and to this day it still remains probably some of the most intense PvP you're going to experience in-game. The Division Resurgence is out now, and you can get it by tapping the link in my bio.